Hello guys, it's JW Black here, and have a different type of video for you. This one's a model car. Don't use I usually do RuneScape videos, but don't really play that anymore. So um, this is the model being made by Aoshima. It's a top secret Nissan Skyline GT-R r34. I'm pretty sure 1998 is the year. That's what it looks like to me. So yeah, let's get into this. Sorry about the video quality too. I don't really have a decent camera, so I'm just kind of using a webcam. Hood, all the black parts on this body had to be brush painted because I didn't have any gloss black can or spray cans, so it's not the best paint job I've ever done, but I like the colors. So gold accented rims and mirrors and windshield wipers. So maroon, one of my favorite colors. And the weird thing about these Japanese models is they don't have anything under the hood. Everything's glued down. So I went in and detailed everything underneath, which took a pretty long time. Thing I like about this one is it has steering, and it has suspension. So that's pretty cool. It actually comes with like physical springs, so I like that. Interior is very well detailed in my opinion, but I went and taped up all the seats and used the color that was in the can and just brush painted those. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Leave a comment, give me your opinion, and tell me if you want to see more of these videos. Pretty sure that's it. See you next time.